Hello everyone, I am Dattatranikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is Process Engineering Part 26. As you can see behind how excellently the technology is being implemented for oil and gas industry, that is oil refinery. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to various topics. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new videos. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is the process engineering part 26. Introduction to process engineering. The process engineering involves the utilization of multiple tools and methods depending on the exact nature of the system. Processes need to be simulated and modeled using mathematical and computer science. One can refer to the picture where the 3D model extraction is shown as a plant purpose. The intelligent data gathered from the Smart Plant P&ID can be further integrated with a PDS and a Smart Plant 3D models, which we have just now referred. The principles area of a focus in process engineering are process design, process control, process operation, supporting tools, process economics, process data analytics. Similarly, the one can refer to the another figure where the process cycle involves many of the stages, which could be raw material storage, first phase, preparation of a feed, second stage, reaction, third stage, production separation, fourth stage, product purification, fifth stage, product storage, sixth stage, and then the sales. This is what the brief we have used for understanding the process engineering process. Similarly, specialized tools like Aspen Plus, HTFS, that is heat transfer and fluid flow service, thermodynamics, HTRI, that is a heat transfer research, INC, PV Elite, Smart Plant P&IDs, and few internally developed equipment design program so that it can help process department or a process engineering team to do the process simulations, etc. As part of multidiscipline engineering, that is MD, one can refer to the picture where you can see various disciplines are involved, starting from process engineering, civil structural engineering, mechanical engineering, plant design and piping engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering. However, process engineering is one of the core discipline of engineering where they involve, as mentioned, during the entire process life cycle design, starting from the simulation, heat mass balance, and then providing the data to various disciplines for their further detailing and design engineering. That is the reason we have chosen to start with the new playlist as a process engineering, so that we can try and help the engineers who are making their career in the process engineering. Process engineering, the activities involved as part of the process department are introduction to process engineering design and a process discipline interface with other disciplines. Second, process design basis. Third, process design philosophies. Fourth, process simulation, heat and mass balance. Fifth, process diagram, that is a block diagram, that is BFD, process flow diagram, that is PFD, process safety flow diagram, that is PSFD, and material selection diagram, that is MSD. Sixth, piping and instrumentation diagram, that is PNID for introduction, as well as the legend and descriptions are being used in a PNID for further interpretation. Seven, piping and instrumentation diagram, that is PID for components and the system descriptions where they show the entire system. 8, fluid flow, that is a line hydraulic, fluid flow, pumps and pump hydraulic. 10, process equipment design, that is vessels and separator. 11, process equipment design for heat exchanger. 12, process equipment design for column. 13, process control system. 14, piping valves and the control valve. 15, and most important, that is a safety and hazardous and operability, that is HAZOP review. These are the various activities are being involved as part of the process engineering department for their detailing and design engineering work. Further, we will see in coming parts, we will see all the deliverables so that it will help you to join and understand the purpose and their activities involved as part of the process engineering department.
With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you'll get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.